So over here, I have my image, and to rotate and scale, of course, I can use the handles right here, but that does not make it very, very precise. So in order to have precise controls over the image size and rotation, you can simply go over here onto image options and then choose size and rotation, and then this appears. You can also go over onto image option by clicking on image option right here, and you have all the options that you can work with right here. And in this lesson, we're going to take a look at size and rotation. So over here, whenever I resize, what happens is that the size and height changes over here as well. So what I can do is I can go over here, and let's say I want the width of the image to be 3 inches just like this, and it has been turned into 3 inches, and the height has been adjusted just like that over here. Again, let's say for example, you want height to be exactly 4 inches high. You can see that now it is 4 inches, and it adjusted the width accordingly. So what you can do is you can adjust the width and height scale in percentage as well. So let's say I want the image to be exactly 50% smaller. I can just type in 50 just like that. I can also disable the lock aspect ratio, and now what I'm able to do is I can say 50-50 both, or I can do 50% on width and 100% on the height, and I can just adjust that out over there. So I want it to be equal right over here. I can keep it both at 100%, lock the aspect ratio, and whatever value I type it, then height scale will be the same just like that, as you can see. And then over here on the bottom, we have the rotation option. Of course, I can rotate it by using this, but it does not, it rotates it out as we're eyeballing it. So it's not perfectly angled. So let's say I want 45 degrees of rotation, then I simply keep in 45 degrees right there. So I can just click on this to rotate it 90 degrees just like that, which is usually the rotation we need. So let's just go to 0 degrees right here. You want to rotate it out 90 degrees. Click once, it rotates 90 degrees clockwise. Click again, it's 180. Click again, and you can see right here. So it rotates 90 degree right here, 180, 270, and 0. So it just changes the value right here. You want 30 degree of rotation, you simply click and type in 30 degrees just like that. So you can go over here and type in angles over here and change out the height, size, and width just like that by entering the values to be more precise. And that is how you can work with image size and rotation option inside of image options in Google Docs document. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.